Hello everybody, this is part 2 of the Airsoft at SC Village. Same everything, haven't changed the gun, and that's pretty much it. Thank you, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.
I don't remember where their last location was.
Bands on my right, no bands on my left.
Fucking property owners pulled it out from underneath them.
Yeah.
Now they're out in like Paris, and then now all that land around there is getting sold to warehouses, so they're probably gonna have to move again.
Bro.
Eventually. Like they're getting enclosed with warehouses, bro. It's crazy. That land used to just be completely empty. They were the only thing there. Now there's like a warehouse on each side.
What the hell?
It's
For here, they have 150 years, so they will be here till like 2030, 2050. Yeah. And it's a good thing that like even if this thing shuts down, nobody could build like houses or anything like that.
Yeah.
It's just land. But there's also some bad things like stop.
Yeah, drone.
Drone!
AED. FPV. Drone.
Right there, straight. Straight ahead.
Incoming. Oh, I see it. Yay! Let's shoot it down.
Shoot it down.
There's a paintball event going on right there.
But yeah, like there's poison on Vietnam. There's like poison ivy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they can't do anything about that.
So if you hit it, you just
Yeah, you're fucked. Like, because my battery died one time, I was next to the ref and he was like telling me all this. And I was like, oh, be careful about the poison ivy. I'm like, why don't you take it out? We can't.
There's a bunch of bushes and stuff that
Yeah.
fucking hurt. On even on the one with the, you know, like the sandbag
Oh yeah.
bunkers.
Oh yeah, that one had some horror plans.
Yeah, I laid down on it one day and I was like, what the fuck? It was itchy.
Boom, itching all day. Yeah.
The jammers are like these big things, and what they do is they hijack the signal, they figure out what signal the drone is reading off of, and intercept it, and then the guy with the big gun fucking controls it. Somebody definitely put the little spike up.
What? This?
There's something because everything has to operation.
What this means is that you guys are getting unlimited respawns, but whichever team holds most of the map by the time we blow the whistle for the end of the match wins that round. Am I understood? Yes. Now, this doesn't come with a caveat. You're trying to hold as much of the map as possible, so 50, 70, 80%. But we want to make sure we're not spawn camping. If you do see the enemy spawn, either back up or let them get to the first piece of cover, or start shooting. Now, for people who are spawning back
There's
in,
another RC.
if you start shooting right away, you're like a free target. So get to the first piece of cover
Yeah, I
before
think
you're
it
like
might
2 steps in and get back out.
Moving too slow.
Alright? Save yourself some trouble.
Big ass RC.
Yeah.
Alright, map
That looks like a real
boundaries
play.
for Viper is pretty straightforward. We got a fence here that wraps all the way around. Over there, we do have our call burn. Not go up that. We have river burn coming wrapping around. Side of that great container, not approach the container, that is another map. And back here, your back wall right there is the end of the map. Got it? Alright,
Yeah.
spawn points for you guys for the B. That pillar, those 2 pillars right there, tap them. You're back in. These guys, there is a water barrel over there by the telephone pole. That'll be your respawn point.
At the second cover through that window, so whenever they pass the window.
Okay.
Anybody here new? Anybody need the rules
After
explained?
a few respawns, you're gonna know. Like, they're gonna rat us out.
Oh, you didn't get it from
Lock the door.
Oh, he hit the whole line, sure.
Right? But then when they pick off that one person, we all
we're good.
and then we all just
So, our semi-automatic only field, unless we have any LMGs, which is going to be
Bro, I
right
saw
there.
somebody with the small ass minigun, bro. I'm scared. I don't know where he's at.
First, 1 second on, 3 seconds off.
Where is he?
Anybody else is not allowed to do anything other than semi-automatic if you don't want any finance triggers or feathering of the trigger.
Where'd he
like
go?
This. If you do that, we will pick you up the field, and then I'll have to suplex you. Understood? Yeah. Alright, now in terms of grenades, I know we got a couple of gold grenades out here.
Is that
Got
allowed?
a Springer.
What's that? I'm in a suit.
Is that even allowed?
That's assault.
Without ricochet, you are out. Now in terms of any thunder beams.
Safety.
Alright, can we quit all side conversation and side firing?
So we're trying to explain the rules and have a good time out here. We don't want to hear any side conversations or firing. My ref's trying to explain the rules. Everyone get that? Yes. Okay, if I hear another fire, I'm going to kick that guy off my field, all right? All right, continue on, Kevin.
All right, now Thunder Beams, those are going to be your sound grenades. Those are a 10-foot from where they go off. If you're behind hard cover, you are safe. Now, for those, we do have a lot of structures here. Do not throw those indoors. We do not want to give people hearing damage. That should be it.
Holy shit.
Now, anybody tell me what the game mode is?
It's control, map control. Fucking.
Now, what are the spawn camping rules?
No spawn camping.
What is that rifle over there? Like over there, kill the guy coming in. What the hell is that?
You guys going over there.
Okay.
Band spawning on that side. No band spawning over here.
And everybody just goes straight to shooting. Bro, that guy
The
either
next
must have.
person to shoot gets kicked off.
Next thing you know, everybody fucking starts shooting.
Everybody snitched on that fool. That was crazy.
Bro, I just like how everybody looked back at him. You're like, that's that guy.
It was that guy.
Oh. It's gonna be even worse next week.
Yeah, dude.
If they
it's
ever
gonna be
play.
Muddy next weekend.
Well, it's raining for like 3 days.
It's raining Monday through Thursday.
Damn, that's even worse. Oh my god. Sounds like we're getting attacked from everywhere.
Huh?
Sounds like we're getting attacked from everywhere.
What, paintball?
Yeah.
Dude, yeah, speedball's crazy. I used to do tournaments with that. It was fun.
Yeah?
Yeah,
That's the speed one, right?
Yeah. You go through so much paint though, bro. Those guys are shooting like $500 worth of paint in a day.
Bro, what?
Yeah. It's insane, dude. When you do like a full team practice, it'd be so fucking expensive.
Bro.
In a tournament would cost probably like $5 grand total.
Bro, what the fuck?
But then you get like team sponsorships sometimes.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think if we could go middle, we can have.
Stand by, Airsoft! Stand by! All right. 3, 2, 1, blow it!
Yo, I just got a fucking money kill. Who's behind me? Oh, you scared me, bro. Oh, we missed that. Yeah, that's how you don't.
You want to move up? Yeah. All right, I'll cover you, okay? Yeah. On my go. 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm up. I do not want to move. I look at it, sorry.
Hit. Huh. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright. It looks like you got hit in the head right there.
Oh, I got hit a fuck ton, so I'll be back.
Yeah, same. Hit. Back.
Well, they shit in there, don't run in there. Yeah, I didn't want to move it all.
Are they in or out? I can't tell if they're in or out. Are you good?
Second floor. Here we go.
Alright, I'm sorry. How did he not get hit?
How did he not?
Am I shooting too slow or is he running at Mach speed?
Okay.
Okay, there's no way he didn't get hit there.
And that box right there.
Yeah, I saw him. I'm shooting at him already. I think my gearbox is moving to the left or the right, I meant. He's still in the box, yeah. Up. Yeah, I'm not gonna shoot anymore. I feel bad.
Okay. All covered?
Yeah. Ah, hit. There's somebody on the right, like in the middle, like right in the left middle. I don't know how to explain it. I don't think you understood me anyway. Well, you want to run? Oh shit. Hit. Alright, they're in the middle. Watch out right there. Hit. Damn, I didn't know there's a second floor up here. Okay.
Locked up by water.
Ah. That's us.
That spot locked.
Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game. Who's this little man right here? Phew. I don't really recommend I don't recommend going through right here, cause you could easily just get fucking
that's
keyed.
fucked up. We'll go right.
Yeah, I just shot like 8 people there. I just kept fucking spamming.
Aren't they too close? They literally can see us. If you're running, run fast because I'm gonna run.
Yeah, we're just running left, right? We're just getting into these buildings? Yeah.
I got him. Back it up. I want behind this tree and those barrels, please. Behind the tree and the barrels, please.
I mean, it's kind of weird.
We're all running to the right or what?
Yeah, we were just, they're gonna shoot at us.
Yeah, I was about to say, we got the
Rachel,
LMG.
You got it.
Oh shit, we do?
Yeah. Somebody body blocked the LMG so he could just run. Oh shit, I don't know I want to run in front of you, bro. Yeah, we need you in front lines.
Bro.
We need LMGs on front lines right now. Oh, definitely, bro.
Acting like they can't shoot us from right here. I'm gonna run past you. Okay?
Alright, I'll let you.
Oh, they're way closer to Ready? Yeah.
Oh, you know! Window right there, right there. Hit, hit. Whew. I'm scared. Okay, what? I don't know. Hit! Oh, I found him.
Oh man. Oh bro, I got poked with poison ivy on my ass.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Where was it at?
Over there.
Yeah, we're cooked.
It's gonna itch for fucking years.
In the window. Oh yeah, too. Oh. How would you? You're the Houdini, man.
This shit is so hard to use, dude.
Is it actually?
It is.
How much does it have recoil now?
No, but it's fucking heavy. You want to shoot it?
Are you sure? Oh my god, bro. How do you just generally? Yeah, no. How do you aim with this? How do you aim with this?
You have to go like, you have to go like this.
You have to just have your hopes and dreams right now.
It's how you aim. That's how you aim. You gotta go like this.
Well, they're still on the window, but god damn, bro, that thing's scary. Bro, how do you just carry that, bro?
Yeah, this shit is crazy, bro. It's so hard to get used to it too because
I mean, it would seem like it.
I put 2 5s in here.
Oh.
Normally I play with 2 5s, but I only have 2 7s, so it's not shooting as straight as I want.
Yeah. Damn, you're gonna go crazy on Vietnam if you use that. You're gonna go crazy. Or like the one with the little hills.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that one's crazy, bro. Is that a rim? Huh.
As long as that shit's accurate, bro.
Well, that shit ain't going that far. Like,
There we go. How was it?
How'd you do?
Did pretty great. At the beginning I killed more, but here I just died more. Be on this side. But I know I saw.
I tried to make a run to the left. I got fucked in the
Yeah,
first push.
you could just get decimated there.
That's what it was. Yep.
They say hit, and then you just go back to respawning.
I wish.
I'm thinking to buy one blowback gun.
I want a gas blowback, dude. They're fun.
The
I want
AK-51?
to just make like a super realistic gas blowback, you know, with like the tracer that has the smoke rounds and shit. I want to just build something that's just like fully fucking could be used in video.
There is a AK-74U gas blowback.
Yeah, I've seen that.
You can just go and clink, 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 clink.
The only thing that scares me about gas blowback is because green gas is just so unreliable. Like, your mags will just sometimes shit on you, you know?
If you are not taking care of your stuff,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
If you're cleaning your gun, if you are not overusing your mags and always filling them up in the middle of the game.
That's true. I've never owned a gas or a green gas gun, so I don't.
You can use my pistol for a game if you want.
Well, I've had a pistol. That's
Okay.
that's different.
Kind of
So,
same shit,
it's-
trust me.
Yeah.
Just a bigger boom.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my glove there for now, just in case the ref gives you shit.
The barrel cover.
He didn't give me shit because I told him like I don't have a thing that fits on it.
For 6 barrels, you need 6 fingers.
Yeah, I don't think.
Rachel, for
At
6
least you made
barrels,
the
you need
attempt,
6
like,
fingers.
that's all that-
Yeah, just telling me like I don't have a barrel cover that fits it.
Yeah.
You know?
An extra one?
I don't even think they would sell a barrel cover.
There is like I would.
That's a big one.
I just left it on the bed.
I'll throw you an extra large barrel cover.
Crochet you with a bird cage.
I can make one, actually.
It'd be pointless if I bought it because it ain't in my gun.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Yeah, he said that out.
You can still come. Are you going or not?
Alright, Airsoft, we're gonna start checking on. Make sure I can see your chrono tags and wristbands, please. Give me 1 second. I'll go ahead and review in, double check.
Yeah. A little bit too.
Guys, off the hill, guys, off the hill.
Yeah, that was definitely good.
match, man. Can I do the horn again, please?
This isn't final match.
Huh?
This isn't final match.
No, this is my final match.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Is it cool if I do the horn again?
I was about to ask where is your horn. I was about to ask where is your horn, and then I just see them.
Yeah, my other one ran out of battery, so I have to use
That's why Milwaukee's better. Roby would always down you.
It
Milwaukee
ran out of
won't.
battery, I know. With the two cans.
Bands on my left, no bands on my right. Bands on my left, no bands on my right.
We're basically like shot practicing.
Bro, how did that thing even get chronographed? Now that I think of it, how did he chronograph it?
Very careful.
What FPS was it shooting at? I wonder. Do you know how much FPS it was shooting at?
350.
350.
At 1.15 joules.
Oh, nice. That must be amazing to get shot at it.
I'm gonna do a period piece here pretty soon. I'm gonna try to get the phone harder.
He has a 2.5 in there, so it's gonna jump up a little.
Ooh.
I was running 2.7, so
Yeah, you told me, yeah.
I told that to him, I tell it to you, be careful with the content your son is learning because it might cause a conflict in the games. The Z-patch is conflict because right now the war going in Russia and it might take someone really seriously.
Oh,
They might actually confront you.
Bro, I don't want to hear it again, bro.
Yeah, keep in mind.
Oh. I shot at it for a second, bro. I did not want to shoot that thing ever again, bro.
Yeah, Richo.
Low HPS.
Fuck. I'm glad you're my team, okay? I don't want to get this shot.
It's stock.
My ass is stock, bro.
It's still fucked up. I still don't want to get a shot.
Probably just the tip is probably stock. That's the only stock thing about it, bro.
No, this whole thing is fucking stock. I got
Sure, bro.
Bro, I still need to figure out my hop up there.
Bro.
I mean, I kind of like it though. I kind of like it that it dropped.
You gotta put the fast trigger on, you know?
I mean, I got it.
A little fast trigger? Oh, never mind. You don't need that, bro. Have you seen those ones? Like, you just fucking little bit faster than
Yeah.
speed? Yeah.
I don't think it should be a problem. I do this shit in real life, so.
Yeah. Nope.
Hey, you gotta convert that one, right? What's up? You gotta do a conversion kit on that one?
Yeah, it's right there.
Be funny about the dog on the
What, he gets like gas, huh? What is that? Minimum gas?
Huh? No, it was an AG. It was just a SEMA 105, just a normal AG.
Sorry.
So everyone you know, there's no respawn, just one life. Perfect. All right, my boundaries. What's the overall theme for this map? Anyone can tell me.
Containers.
Containers. So I'm expecting you guys to stay within the cargo containers. Please do not go dashing off into the paintball section, because you will get lit up by paintballs, and I cannot control that. So get that. Perfect. So stay within the cargo containers. That's my only boundary to attack. My safety rules. Has everyone been here all day? Do I need to repeat my safety rules?
No.
So everyone here knows the rules. I don't need to explain anything. Perfect. Other than that, we all know my rules. I'm just going to go over the special ones. So LMGs, where are my LMGs? There's one only guy allowed out here to go full out. Everyone else is on the semi-automatic only. Same with you. So, for my LMGs, 1 Mississippi on the trigger, 3 Mississippi off the trigger. All right. Any questions on LMG? All right, perfect. Everyone else out here, semi-automatic only. Now, do I have any grenades out here? Grenades.
Yeah.
What kind?
Sound these.
Thunder B, alright, Thunder B.
EG-67.
What?
It's an EG-67.
It's a pyro nade?
Like, kinda, not really. It is.
If it's a pyro nade, you can't use it out here, man.
Does it make smoke? EGs are pyro, buddy. Okay.
Can
Alright.
it start a fire?
No.
So there's no lighting.
I don't know. Maybe it's cool. I'll let it go.
Okay, I'm just gonna say, since you don't know, I'm not gonna let you use it, alright? If you want, you can use it as a dummy nade. I won't let you pull the pin and throw it, alright? You can use it as a dummy nade.
Okay.
Alright, for my Thunder Bees, they have a 10-foot kill distance and they're not allowed in buildings. Any questions on that? Alright, anything else I need to know about before we start the match? Nothing? Alright. Who wants to take the walk to the other side of the map?
You walked last time.
Go, go.
What, you guys walked last time? Okay, we're gonna leave it at the chest. You get up here.
Who wants to represent the
You get
band?
up the green ball column, get over here. And Uno, reverse card guy, get over here. That's the column.
Does that gun even have a semi?
What?
Does that gun even have a semi?
A what?
Does that gun have a semi?
A semi? No.
Yeah. No.
Nah, you just full auto, full send.
Can you go one more time? Where do you want to go, my man? Alright, my bad, you're taking the walk.
Damn it. Boo. Oh, there it is. Is this capture the flag?
Elimination.
Oh, elimination, alright. Oh, what the hell? Shoot the cat. Alright.
So how far right can we go?
Just along this path. Like we can't pass this shit.
Yeah, I would say.
Alright, guys, stay on the first floor, please. Until we start the game. Took a wrong damn turn.
I don't know, where'd you guys go?
I went through the container, but then
Alright, stand by, Airsoft, stand by!
Don't think you're right, right?
Yep, right here upstairs.
Oh, you scared me. Huh?
Are you banned?
Yeah, I'm banned.
Oh, you can't see me banned. Okay. Dude, I'm so sorry.
It's alright, bro. As long as you shot my chest plate.
There's a guy right there.
Watch out, everybody.
Heads up, guys, there's a live game going on to the right. Make sure you guys are staying on this field to my left.
Hit.
Right there, right there, right there, right there, shoot him. Right there.
That kind of this elimination. I don't like it. Are you banned? Where's it go, huh? Wait, what's this banned? Fuck.
So I'm seeing here my battery died, so I already know that's a problem. But this would be the end of video part 2, and I've realized I recorded too much, so there would be a part 3. And like I've said, thank you very much. Like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support that I could get, and I will start uploading more in the future if this really works out and if you guys enjoy this. Thank you very much, guys, and the video should end any about this time. I just want to be thankful for opportunities like this. And thank you very much, guys, and have a good day.
Alright, stop! You are switching sides!
Take care.
Yo, they were over behind us. I know, yeah, there's like a 2-3 guys